Give you guys a little toolbox tour of my U.S. General 56-inch Series 2. Start off with the socket drawer. I got my 1/2 inch. I got my 3/8. I'm waiting on my super shallow. So I've got my super shallow, semi-deep, deeps. Then I got my chromies. Then I got my 1/4 inch shit. My performance tool, bending magnet, Harbor Freight expendable magnet. My swivels, waiting on my semi-deep 3/8 swivels. So I got my deep, shallow, my chromie shallows, some of my standard stuff. Just some extra specialty sockets. Next drawer down, got the ratchets. Gonna be Die Hard, Gear Wrench, Snap-on, Die Hard, which was made by Gear Wrench, but now they're somewhat totally different, so it's not even Gear Wrench anymore. Gear Wrench, Icon, Gear Wrench, Pittsburgh 1/4 inch, cheap 1/4 inch. Got my swivels over there, extensions over here, more extensions, adapters, stuff like that. Then we move into the wrench drawer. Got my Milwaukee set there for my basic wrenches. My box 10 with the ratcheting on the one side. My standard 45 reversible ratcheting. The new Matco reversible ratcheting double box 10 wrenches. Kind of like the Snap-ons. I'm waiting on my 18 and 20 for those. This is going to be my overflow wrench spot. Then all my pliers here. Got my air tools, Snap-on cordless ratchets, and some will hate, but my Skil 3/8 impact. This thing's a fucking monster. Does everything I need it to do. Super compact. The 1/2 inch. She's a big girl, but again, does everything I need it to do. And for $90 for that and $80 for that, you cannot beat it. And hammers, specialty stuff as I get the shit. Trunk drawer. Everybody's gonna have one of those. Pick drawer. I had another set of long radiator ones, but I threw them out. I'm getting some new ones. They look like ass, so I like to keep my shit looking somewhat decent. All my screwdrivers again. Performance tool. I got a gear wrench thrown in there. All my specialty stuff. More of it, I guess, for when I gotta do like machine type work. And then right now, another junk drawer. Got me the full Matco pry bar set. I mean, there's a little Matco light. That's it.